Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Shubham, and in this video we're going to learn about the different types of grip of knife. Let's get started. For this we're going to use a dummy knife, and if you don't have access to a dummy knife, you can always use a pen and imagine as if you're grabbing a knife. So the pointy side of the pen will be your thrusting side, and the normal side, the impact side, will be your slashing side. Alright, so here this grip is called a hammer grip, as if I'm grabbing a hammer. The blade is above here and it increases our range, alright, as you can see. So this is primarily used for slashing. It's primarily used for slashing and then thrusting. It thrust, we can thrust from the pointy side over here, यहाँ से, and from here we lacerate, we slash, alright. From here, this grip is called ice pick grip. It is primarily used for thrusting and it doesn't increase our range. Actually, from this way it increases our range, but from this way it doesn't, and it is used for hooking as well. So make sure to use it wisely, right? Now we'll be learning about the switching of the grip, just like this. So you can do it like this, or you can do it like this, or you can do it like this. You can do it like this as well. But should you switch grips? Actually not. If you've grabbed your weapon like this, you use your weapon like this, because while switching you have the chance to get the human error. You can lose your weapon. You can disarm yourself while switching, alright, just like that. So make sure you fight and you started your thing with a weapon with one way. Do stick with it. Do not change, switch grips with it, and it's one of the best things out there and nobody is talking about it. Before switching your grips, make sure do practice it just for the art form sake and the fancy things, and it's really fascinating to do such stuff, but you should know its practical aspects as well. So you can lose your weapon while doing it, while performing the fancy things, and make sure to practice wisely. So here's a link for a video. You should watch that video. It's all about knife fighting combos. I upload videos every Wednesday and Saturday, so stay tuned, and I'll see you in another video. Signing off, Shubham.
This is Sparta!